Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to send voice message on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on one of your chats. Right beside the message box, you can find a microphone icon. Tap on it. Now you can easily communicate with your friends using voice message. Once you're done with the voice message, tap on the arrow at the bottom right of your screen. And that's it. This is how you send voice message on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.